Nope. I think you're good. So we're gonna spray the tray of ham, and then the one you're gonna put it on after you spray it. You're gonna put it on this tray.
Does the ham?
I think that smells good.
That should be good. Okay, yep. Did you? Yeah, you can get the other side. Yep.
Should it be face down or face up?
Face up. So they're like little boats. There's two more you might need to dig in. But I think one of these is moldy mom.
A moldy tomato?
The moldy mushroom.
Oh, okay.
I don't think these are good.
None of them?
What about that white thing in there?
That's the rib.
Other than that, I don't see anything.
Okay, let me get, that's what can be a little harder.
I don't see any seeds.
Yeah, no, you gotta get with the seeds.
It's making a lot of noise here. Yes, it is.
I think one of these seeds I have to get out with my hand.
Okay, that's fine. You wash your hands. We use our hands. We don't have a no hands rule. Real chefs take pans out of the oven with their hands.
Behind you. I have to tell you, you got 3 with you.
Uh-oh. Wow.
That's all right. I have them on film. We are going to